Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create graphical elements in Dreamweaver, including video and images. So I have opened, as you can see here, I've opened the file I created previously using Dreamweaver, and now I want to embed a video within this box or app division. So let's go to YouTube and find a video and then embed it over here. Let's see, we have this video over here, and what you need to do is to click the embed button below the video and you'll see the embedding codes, and then right click and copy the codes. And let's go back to Dreamweaver. Now currently it's in the design view. You can embed the codes here. You have to use the code view, the HTML code view. So by clicking code here, and then you'll see the code view, and then you'll see the flashing cursor here. That indicates the position where you clicked, where you chose to embed that video. And then on your keyboard press Ctrl and then V, so the codes are embedded on that spot. And now you can preview and see the effect. Let's preview in Chrome. We need to save the changes first. Okay, yes. So you have the video here. You can play it, right? Okay. Now currently you see that there's no space between this video and the border of this box. That's kind of visually it's not very good. So let's close this window and go back to Dreamweaver and give some space. Let me click design view again to give some space between the video and the border of this box. And what you need to do is to go to the CSS style panel. Currently it's not there in the right hand column, so you need to click window and select CSS styles, and then this is AppDiv box 4, AppDiv 4. Okay, double click on that, and then we have this dialog box, and then choose box, and you'll see the option for padding. Padding refers to the space between the content within the box and the border of the box. So we can choose for this to remain like this, same for all. We'll give some padding space between the content within the box and all of the 4 borders of the box. So let's see, let's make it 7 pixels and click OK. And now you can see that there is a little bit space between the video and the box. Now let's insert an image. Okay, I have put an image in my site folder. Remember, it's on my desktop and the name is my first web page or something like that. And then on the files panel here you can see you have all the files. If that's difficult for you to see, you can close this CSS styles panel by clicking there, and then at the bottom of that open dialog box you'll see close. Okay, now it's easier for you to see the local files panel, and there is one image here, squirrel. So what you can do is to drag and drop that image into the area where you want to put it. Now we have a dialog box asking you to put in some alternate text. It's a good practice to put in some alternate text. Let's call it squirrel. If you put in alternate text when something wrong happens with the image, so that it doesn't show on your web page, people still can see some text information indicating what kind of image should be there, and then click OK. Now this is the image. Of course you can click on it and do some modification of it in the property panels. You can give it an ID, you can make it a link, click on the image and then put a hyperlink or link it to a file, and also you can crop it, and you can determine the height and width of the image. Now suppose you want to move this image. You see, it's kind of tough for you to move it, right? Probably the easiest way is for you to insert an AppDiv box again and put the image in that box. So that's one way to help you easily move the image to different positions. So what you can do is to click Insert and Layout, Objects, and AppDiv. Okay, so the AppDiv box jumped a little bit. As you can see, it's over here. What you can do is to choose that, change the size so that it includes this image. Again, you can change the size, drag or choose the image and change its size, and then you can use the handle to put this image. You can use the handle, move the AppDiv box, and then move the image into the AppDiv box. And you can change the image and adjust the position of the image now. Okay, so basically in this tutorial we talked about graphical elements for an HTML file created with Dreamweaver. Basically we talked about embedding a YouTube video and embedding an image. Thank you very much. Have a good day.